Hi, I'm looking for a new light for my home.
Oh, hold on, yeah. Let me check.
Maybe something safe for the kids?
Oh, we have that here. You can also get it online. Look for EV Sunlight. It's clinically certified to kill bacteria, super bright and long-lasting.
Oh, perfect.
You can even get free bacteria testing when you DM them on social media. First come, first served. TNC apply.
Cool. Do they have discounts?
Of course, EV Sunlight has 10% off.
Nice. Thank you. I'll DM them now. Hai, saya nak cari lampu untuk rumah saya.
Oh, kejap. Saya tembak.
Lampu yang selamat untuk budak-budak. Ada ke?
Ada. Boleh beli kat sini atau secara dalam talian. Saya cadangkan EV Sunlight. Ia disahkan secara klinikal boleh membunuh bakteria, pencahayaan terang dan tahan lama. Dan boleh dapat ujian bakteria percuma bila DM mereka kat media sosial. Siapa cepat, dia dapat. Tertakluk terma.
Diskaun ada?
Ada. EV Sunlight ada diskaun 10%.
Okey, saya DM sekarang.